In this video, we're going to take you through Bitget, the cryptocurrency exchange platform. For more information on Bitget, please check out everybethelps.io. And we're going to take you through a full beginner's guide to their spot trading, showing you how to sign up and secure your account, how to deposit and find your wallet address, buy crypto, spot trade with buy and sell market and limit orders, and finally how to withdraw from the platform. And there'll be a timeline in the summary below for those of you that just want to jump to specific parts of this tutorial. First up, a little bit about Bitget. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange that launched in 2018, and it offers a variety of trading options for its 2 million users worldwide. These trading options include spot trading, where users can currently trade on all spot pairs, including the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and over 350 tokens with absolutely zero fees, which is running until further notice. With Bitget Futures, users can margin trade and engage in futures trading activities. Bitget offers futures settled on USDT, USDC, and CoinM futures, which supports the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum as a universal margin. CoinM futures is more convenient, as you can use one coin as margin to trade other contract pairs. In this way, you can save time transferring from one coin to the other, and you can continue to hold the coin without selling any of it to trade for other contract pairs. Bitget Futures trading allows up to 125x margin, and take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop functions are all supported. Now, because leverage trading can be risky, there's also some demo trading accounts available from Bitget, allowing users to try out strategies and practice with zero risk. Another popular feature is their copy trade function. Bitget Copy Trade is one of the largest offerings, with over 20,000 professional traders. Users can copy other successful traders and their strategies for free, mirroring their trades and portfolio. Derivatives trading is for hedging and also comes with some high profit within a short period of time. However, it can be risky if you're not a day trader or if you don't have enough time to research the market. Although sometimes you can make some easy profit, other times maybe you'll lose it. So Bitget Copy Trading has solved this pain point by attracting professional traders to become copy traders, allowing beginners to follow their trades and get more profit than trading alone. Copy traders, on the contrary, get 10% profit share from their followers as a reward or as a tool to increase their trading income. The data is also transparent, so you can see the copy traders' win ratio, the frequency of trading, and how much their copiers are earning from the platform. Plus, there's even ways that you can earn daily interest on your crypto with Earn, with rates as high as 100% APY. There's Launchpool, where you can buy popular coins and stake to earn in shorter periods. Plus Launchpad, where you can get access to some great projects at low prices, where you could earn around 20 to 30% profit ratio. Bitget also have their own platform token BGB, which they aim to grow at least 10 times within the next year. And Bitget is also available as a mobile app, so that you can trade and use Bitget on the go. The UI is clear and it's simple to use, and it means that you can place your orders immediately, helping you to enable profits and help to protect against losses. Bitget also have a range of partnerships and sponsorships, becoming Juventus's official partner in September 2021 and the official partner of PGL in October 2021. So let's jump in and take a look at how we can get started with Bitget. With there being so many different elements to Bitget, we won't be able to cover everything today. So as I said, we're going to be covering spot trading, and I'll briefly show you the other features as well. However, if you want me to cover the likes of futures trading, copy trading, or Earn in more detail in further videos, then let me know in the comments. The first place we'll start is with the Bitget sign-up process, where you'll first need to head over to bitget.com. It's really important that you use the exact link, as there will be sites out there that look very similar, but with a slight typo, that are waiting to steal your information, so it may be worth bookmarking the site. I'll put my link in the summary below that you can use at sign up. There's also a basic registration bonus and deposit payback bonus, allowing you to share with friends and family to get an extra bonus for you both. And new users will also get up to 4,000 $163 as a welcome bonus for completing some tasks which I'm going to show you in a moment. To sign up for Bitget, you'll first need to choose your country of residence. Then enter in an email address or mobile number and set a strong secure password. Confirm it and agree to the terms of use. As you can see below, this is where the welcome bonuses start to add up. So by completing KYC and verifying your account, you'll receive a $3 coupon. And this means entering in your personal information, such as uploading photo ID and providing your physical address. However, in some areas of the platform, KYC isn't necessary, as you're still able to withdraw up to 20 BTC per day without it. If you make your first on-chain deposit or fiat deposit, transfer it into your USDT margin futures account and make sure that no withdrawal or transfer is made in the account within 5 days. You'll receive a tiered reward of up to $4,000. And there's also some coupons for copy trading, spot trading, and futures trading here. But once you're all signed up, you'll then reach the dashboard. Now, before we go ahead and start looking at depositing and trading with Bitget, let's secure our account. So under your profile icon in the top right-hand side of the screen, which has the icon of a head and shoulders, click onto that, then choose Security Settings. From here, there's quite a lot of security that you can set up. You can change your password, assign a phone number and email address as an extra level of security for actions such as logging into your account, withdrawing, etc. And you can also set up Google Authenticator, which will provide you with a one-time code to ensure that it's you who's actually performing the actions such as logging in, withdrawing, or retrieving passwords, etc. And you can also set up funding codes and anti-phishing codes in here. Plus, if any time you want to cancel your account, this is where you can do it from. Now, it's worth mentioning that during the recent downturn of 2022, a lot of exchanges became bankrupt, and many users did lose their assets. However, Bitget has prepared a protection fund for its users. The Bitget Protection Fund includes 6,000 BTC and 8 million USDT, worth approximately 200 million at the time of this recording. And Bitget states that they'll secure the value of the fund for the next 3 years. But now that we've secured our accounts, let's take a look at how we can start trading. First, we're going to look at the Markets tab, as this will essentially show us what we can trade with on Bitget. There are several different ways that you can trade. More advanced users may wish to trade futures, or beginners might just want to start out spot trading and swapping from one cryptocurrency to another. We're going to spot trade today. Now, one thing you might notice when we take a look at the list is that you don't have any options for fiat currencies, such as the likes of GBP, Euros, or USD. And that's because you'll first need to own some crypto before you start trading on Bitget. If you don't already have some USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, or Ethereum to get started with, then they do have some buy crypto options. First, there's P2P trading, which is a place that users can trade local currencies for cryptocurrencies. From here, you can buy or sell crypto with fiat, and any available options will appear below. Plus, it'll let you know the payment methods supported by the seller. Alternatively, you can use their third-party providers, and depending on your location, they use the likes of Bankster and Simplex, etc., which support payment methods such as Visa and MasterCard. Just note here, though, that this won't be the cheapest way to buy your crypto, as there are fees that are built into these prices. Right now, though, there is 50% discount if you use Simplex to purchase crypto, so you can always check to see if there are discount events running at the time, just to ensure that you're getting the best transaction ratio. Once you've purchased your crypto, it will then appear under your assets page, which we're going to take a look at in a moment. Now, if you already have some crypto to deposit, that's what I'm going to show you next. First, we're going to need to find our Bitget wallet address, which you can reach by heading to Assets and then Deposit. You'll then be prompted with the type of crypto that you'd like to deposit, and there's a pretty long list here, plus some of the most popular options at the top. Some cryptocurrencies can be transferred on multiple chains or networks. If these are supported, they'll appear under the chain name drop-down list. For example, with Bitcoin, that's BEP20 or the Bitcoin network. Or with USDT, there's quite a few more chain options here. It's important to ensure that you choose the correct network or the chain that you're sending your crypto on, as in the world of crypto, transactions are non-retractable, so it's important to get this correct. But once you've selected the crypto and the chain, the deposit address will then appear, which you can then copy by using the icon here that looks like 2 copies of paper, or you can simply scan a QR code with a mobile device. Just note that this address and QR code is specific to the exact crypto and the chain that you've selected. And if you choose another chain, these will then change. And there's a minimum deposit of 1 USDT. I'm going to go ahead now and send some USD to this address. Once the transaction has been completed on the blockchain, you'll see it appear here under your deposit history. Your crypto will then appear under your assets, which are listed by name, and you can see how much you have available, if any are on order, the BTC valuation, and then options to transfer, deposit more, or withdraw, which we're going to be taking a look at a little bit later. So now that we have some crypto to trade with, let's take a look at how to create different types of trades. We'll first head across to the Markets tab so that we can see what we can trade our USDT for. Under the Markets tab, when we choose Spot, there's a whole section here for USDT so that we can see what we can swap it for. It will show you the trading pair, i.e. essentially what you're swapping from and to, the last price, how it's changed in the past 24 hours, the high and the low price, plus you also have the option to trade. Today, I want to swap my USDT for Bitcoin, so I'm going to choose to trade to the right here. You'll then reach the spot trading screen. So over on the left is our trading pair again, which is BTC and USDT, which is also highlighted below. If you change your mind and want a different pair instead, rather than heading back to the market screen, you can also choose your trading pair from here too. You then have the last price, again the change, volume, high and low for this specific pair. Underneath are some charts that you can filter over specific periods of time. On the right is the order book, with potential sell orders in red and buys in this blue-green colour. And on a tab to the right of that, you have your market trades, which are the orders that have already been filled or completed. If we scroll down, we then have a buy section and a sell section, and this is where you can place your orders. Before we go ahead and place an order, it's really important to learn about the different order types. And there are 3 main categories when it comes to placing a trade order. These are market orders, limit orders, and trigger orders. We'll first start with the most basic, which is market. So when you place a market order, which you can select from the drop-down where it currently states limit order here, your order will place immediately at the best price on the order book. This type of order is good for when you're in a hurry and you just want to create a simple swap. A market order is considered to be a taker order because you're taking the price that the market is offering. And this can be important on some exchanges, as it can make a difference in terms of fees that you're going to be paying. However, at the moment, you can currently trade on Bitget with 0 fees. However, this may change depending on when you're watching this video. A limit order, on the other hand, allows you to define a price that you want to buy or sell your crypto at. In this way, you might want to say that if the price of Bitcoin dips to a certain value, then you're happy to buy at that price, and you can then wait for the market to reach it. If you're selling, you might want to state that if the price of Bitcoin reaches a particular price that's higher than the current price, then to sell at that value. Now, these orders won't be immediate, but it means that you can plan your orders. Limit orders are known as maker orders because you're not accepting or taking the current market price. You're essentially making a price that's not already available on the order book. You then have something called trigger orders. These are similar to how a limit order works. So when the price reaches a particular price, you can place either a market or a limit order, and these type of orders can help to protect against losses. Now what I'll do is show you how to place a market buy order and then a sell limit order. To buy with a market order, first you're going to need to make sure that you're on the buy side of the screen. Choose limit at the top and then select market from the drop-down. It will then show the available funds or your balance, plus some quick links for depositing and transferring. Underneath, it then states that the order will buy at the best price because it's a market order. You then enter the amount of USDT that you'd like to trade for Bitcoin, and you can manually enter this in or use the slider to choose from a percentage of your balance. I'm just going to use 100 USDT for this trade. And if I then choose to buy BTC, I'll receive a confirmation prompt. Once I've confirmed, my order will then place and complete immediately. If we now look under Assets, you'll see that my Bitcoin is now immediately available. Now, let's pretend that I've held this Bitcoin for a while and I feel that now is the right time to sell it, but only when the market reaches a certain value that I'm happy with so that I can take some profit. Well, in this case, I'm going to place a sell order. So heading over to the right-hand side of the screen now, which is our sell side, we're going to need to make sure that we have a limit order selected. And this time, if we're going to enter in a sell price that we want to sell our Bitcoin at. So under our available funds, it shows the Bitcoin that I'm currently holding. And in price, it will show the current price. But instead, I want to state that I want to sell my Bitcoin when the price reaches 25,000 USDT. So I'm just going to type that in. And when it does reach 25,000 USDT, I want to sell it all. So I'm just going to adjust the slider here to 100%. Then choose Sell BTC, where I'm then going to receive a confirmation prompt. Your order will then place and show under the open orders at the bottom of the screen until it's been filled. Now, when an order is still open and it's not yet been filled, you can also cancel it. So that if the market changes dramatically, if you've made a mistake, or you want it to go through a little bit quicker, you can cancel it from here. Then you can go ahead and simply try again. Once your order has been filled, it will again appear under your orders at the bottom of the screen here. Plus, it will also show up within your list of assets. Now, once you've traded your crypto, what you do with it is completely up to you. With Bitget, as I've already said, there are quite a few options. You could transfer your funds across to your futures account and get involved in margin trading, which allows you to engage in futures trading activities without having a lot of cash at hand. There are some demo trading accounts in here too, so you can try out strategies before committing. You can copy trade, where you can copy other traders' strategies on the platform for free, mirroring their moves and activities. Or you can deposit your crypto to earn interest every day, which you can redeem at any time with their flexible savings. And to use some of these functions, you may have to have completed KYC if you've not already done so. Then if you're not trading and you want to move your crypto to the likes of a hardware wallet, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So if we head across to Assets and Withdraw, first you're going to need to select the crypto that you want to withdraw from the drop-down list. Then the chain or the network that you want to withdraw this on. And you can save yourself some fees by withdrawing to alternative networks. And each withdrawal fee will show up here. You'll obviously need to ensure that the wallet or the platform that you're sending your crypto to does support the network that you're sending your tokens on. You'll then need to paste in the address of where you're sending your crypto to. And this might be your receive address from a wallet or the likes of a deposit address from another crypto platform. And always make sure that the address that you enter is exact and correct, as any withdrawals that you make are non-retractable. Then enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw, and any minimum withdrawal amounts will appear, as well as any maximum amounts. And you'll be shown a total with your fees underneath here, as well as an estimated arrival time. Once you've submitted, the withdrawal record will show underneath, which you can then filter and check the status of. Your assets balance will also display with the updated value. But that completes my beginner's guide to spot trading with Bitget. And as I said, there are a lot of other features, so if you'd like to cover those in depth, please let us know in the comments, and we'll be happy to cover these in future videos. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.